A little bit slick. Alright, so we just got up here to the Pueblo, and it says don't climb on the walls, but you can obviously walk around them, so we'll do that here in a bit. I want to see it's Escalante Pueblo. Man, sweetie. They learned the tree ring. Okay, so only a third of this has been excavated, and they learned from tree ring dates from the timbers used for the roof supports that they were cut in AD 1120s. So, getting close to the end of the Pueblo period, but not quite. Oh my gosh, their views are sick. Look at this. And they come out and they look at this. Good Lord. So cool. This is really impressive. And to have these views from around here, just looking in every direction. I mean, good Lord. You've got Mesa Verde right there. The Sleeping Ute Mountain right there. You got the Colorado-Utah border just on the side of it, right there. You've got Hovenweep right there. Then you've got the plain, and this is the fertile plain where they grow their food. Then you've got the Lowry Pueblo sites. And you've also got Bears Ears over there, which is around the corner, around that. And then you've got Bajo Mountains, which are also called the Blue Mountains. It's an amazing area. Wagmore, Barkless, Texas-style barbecue beef jerky. There you go, pumpkin. All right. All right, let's keep rolling. Okay, what's that? Starting to show up. Oh man, those are like sheets of snow. All right, sweet girl, let's go get you potty. Come on, let's go. Let's hope you choose this. Let's go potty right here, buddy. Let's go potty. I know. We're coming. Woo! It's windy. Oh man. I think the roads just aren't quite firm enough for me to make it out to the winter camp today, so we'll leave in the morning. Oh baby, it's supposed to get pretty cold tonight. It's supposed to get down in the teens, so everything will freeze up pretty good, which will be great. But I think the plan today is just chilling inside the top or inside the camper. We've got the truck all packed up, so we're ready to roll with that. All right, you guys. All right, truck's all packed and ready to go for winter camping. We're gonna roll out tomorrow just because the roads are kind of shot right now. It's a little bit too wet. And I want to show you real quick, I was able to get everything in here, and it's kind of pushed up in there, but there's actually a little bit of extra room in here, which I used to never have when I was on the road full time, because this is like half of the gear that I normally carry, because I don't have to carry any of my summer stuff. So like over here with my with the interior of my truck, like in the front seat, is completely open. So like my front seat here is completely open. I've just got my some work boots down there, and so that'll be real nice. And still have my fridge in there, and then I'll put the other battery there. I'll probably put the AC200 here and take that with me, because what I can do is I can charge it up with a little generator, and that's Happy's Trails. That's his generator. He just let me use it over here since he's not using it at his place. So I'll probably take that with me, maybe strap it to the top of the roof rack up here, and then I'll be good to go. For the wood, we've got a bunch of rounds that are larger. We've got some large pinyon pine, some smaller pinyon pine, and then I've got a bunch of this oak. This is a red oak, and that's from some of the beams from the wood that I bought from Reese and Bridget. And I figured, I'm like, you know, most of the stuff around here is wet. When I got here yesterday, it was just sopping wet, and everything was just kind of a mess. And today it's dried out a little bit, but the clouds, I mean, it's kind of coming and going with the sun, and so it's not like fully drying out, and the temperatures aren't that great. So it's not, the wood isn't really, it's not in the best condition for me to take with me. But I had all that other wood underneath the tarp, and I thought, man, I can just saw that up and take those with me. So we've got heavy snow. We're gonna go set up tomorrow. We've got heavy snow on Monday night, and then all day Tuesday, and then Tuesday night, and then Wednesday we should be able to get out, maybe go grab some more supplies, and then come back to the camp, and then go through the new year out there. So we'll see how much we can get, but I'm really looking forward to it. This area, I actually was there last year, and we did some winter camping out there. Really pretty area, awesome ponderosa pines all over the place. It's really pretty, and the ponderosa pines out there are enormous, but it's a pretty big open area where I can set up, and then that way we don't have to worry about any tree branches falling on us or anything like that. So look forward to getting jamming. We're probably gonna head out first thing in the morning. Like I said, the truck's ready to go. All I essentially have to do is just grab my food out of the camper and throw it into the refrigerator, grab the generator, put it on top of the truck. Then I may take this this log with me, because I could put this in between the solar panel and the max tracks on the roof of my truck. Just take off these things, take this with me, and that's a good, that's a good 12 pieces of really thick pinyon pine that I could take with me. So I think we're gonna process that up and take it with us as well. So, but really excited to get into some winter camping. There wasn't much snow in Colorado when I rolled through there, so I mean, there was a little bit up by Rico. There's some stuff up by Telluride, and I think they're starting to get hit now, but it's been a pretty dry year there, and same with here. So I'm really excited to get into some snow.